Om Namah Shivaya. We bow to Shiva and Shakti, the divine couple, the source of creation, preservation, and transformation. Their union represents the ultimate reality where duality dissolves into oneness. Shiva, the Adi Yogi, the first yogi, graces us with his wisdom. Parvati, his consort, embodies the dynamic energy of the universe. Through their grace, the ancient science of yoga was revealed to humanity. Yoga is a sacred path, a journey of self-discovery and liberation. It is a gift from the divine, a way to transcend our limitations and realize our true nature. In the beginning, Shiva, the Adi Yogi, shared the knowledge of yoga with his beloved Parvati. This divine transmission marked the birth of yoga on earth. Legend tells us that Shiva, in his compassion, wanted to alleviate the suffering of humanity. He decided to share the knowledge of yoga, a path to liberation. Shiva chose a secluded spot on the shores of a pristine lake. There, amidst the beauty of nature, he began to dance the Tandava, the cosmic dance of creation and destruction. Parvati, drawn by her love for Shiva, witnessed the divine dance. She was mesmerized by the grace and power of his movements. Each gesture, each step revealed a profound truth about the universe and the nature of existence. Hidden beneath the waves, a fish listened intently to Shiva's teachings. This fish was no ordinary creature. It was Matsya, a devoted being destined for greatness. As Matsya absorbed the wisdom of yoga, he underwent a profound transformation. He emerged from the water as Matsyendra, a fully realized yogi. Matsyendra, the first human disciple of Shiva, became the progenitor of Hatha Yoga. He spread the teachings far and wide, sharing the gift of yoga with countless seekers. His lineage continues to this day, guiding practitioners on the path to liberation. Hatha Yoga is the branch of yoga that focuses on the physical body. It is the foundation upon which the other limbs of yoga are built. Through the practices of asana and pranayama, we purify and strengthen the body, preparing it for higher states of consciousness. Hatha Yoga is not merely physical exercise, it is a spiritual practice. By working with the body, we access the subtle energies that flow within us. We cultivate awareness, discipline, and balance, qualities that are essential for spiritual growth. Section 5, Asanas, cultivating strength and flexibility. Asanas are the physical postures of Hatha Yoga. They are designed to stretch, strengthen, and balance the body. Through the practice of asanas, we increase flexibility, improve circulation, and calm the nervous system. Each asana has specific physical and energetic benefits. Regular practice helps to align the spine, improve posture, and release tension. As we move deeper into the postures, we cultivate a sense of inner stillness and peace. Section 6, Pranayama, mastering the life force. Pranayama is the practice of controlling the breath. Prana is the vital life force that flows through the body. By regulating the breath, we can control and direct this energy. Pranayama techniques involve specific patterns of inhalation, retention, and exhalation. These practices purify the respiratory system, calm the mind, and increase energy levels. Pranayama is an essential tool for achieving physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Section 7, the path to liberation. Hatha Yoga is not an end in itself, it is a means to an end. The ultimate goal of yoga is liberation, or Kaivalya. This is the state of freedom from suffering, ignorance, and the cycle of birth and death. Through the practices of Hatha Yoga, we prepare ourselves for the higher practices of Raja Yoga. Raja Yoga focuses on meditation and the cultivation of inner awareness. By mastering the body and mind through Hatha Yoga, we create the foundation for deep meditation and spiritual awakening. Section 8, Conclusion. From the divine dance of Shiva to the transformative journey of Matsyendra, The lineage of Hatha Yoga offers a profound path to liberation. Through the practices of asana, pranayama, and meditation, we cultivate physical strength, mental clarity, and spiritual awakening. As we delve deeper into the practice, we realize that Hatha Yoga is not merely about achieving physical flexibility or mastering difficult poses. It is about connecting with the divine spark within, awakening our true potential and experiencing the boundless freedom of our true nature.